welcome back inside our proactive newsroom. And joining me now is Ali Haji, the CEO of ION Energy. And Ali, it's always great to have you back. How are you?
Doing well, Steve. Good to see you as well. Happy New Year.
Yeah, big news for the company that you're going to be trading on the OTC. And we'll talk about that in just a second. But first, let's remind everyone a little bit about ION Energy.
Absolutely. ION Energy is the sole holder of an 81,000 hectare lithium brine prospective license in Mongolia, about 24 kilometers from the Chinese border. We went public on the TSXC venture in August of last year. We've been trading for just about a quarter now. Our intent is to continue our aggressive strategy of acquiring in-country licenses as well as exploring in-country licenses that we hold today. As we know, the battery metal space around the world has picked up a significant amount of steam, and as a result, we believe ION is well placed to take advantage of the third wave, or rather green revolution as we see it for the clean energy space.
Yeah. So as you mentioned, you're trading in Canada, but as of January the 14th, you'll be trading on the OTC markets under the ticker IONGF. Talk about why they need to be trading in the US.
Absolutely. Trading on the TSX venture is it's a fantastic market in an environment that is quite good for capital markets, especially in the mining space. But looking at the size of the US market, the population of the US is about 10 times the size of the Canadian market. That in addition to the interest in the battery metal space, partly driven by the likes of Elon Musk, but also driven very much by the inauguration or soon to be inauguration of Joe Biden. Biden has a very strong electric vehicle and renewable policy that he plans on implementing over the next 4 years. That coupled with the improvements in battery metal technologies and the affordability of electric vehicles, we believe will be quite promising, or rather intriguing to US investors as they start to begin to follow our story.
Absolutely. Ali, just give people an idea about what's planned for the company for 2021. What kind of work do you want to get done this year?
Good question, Steve. So to commence, obviously, the OTC listing is a big win for us as a company. We found that our peers have about 60 to 70%, in some cases 80% of their volumes trading on the OTC relative to the TSX. As far as getting work done on the ground, we expect to redeploy our team to Baba Ul, which is our signature license, to commence or rather reconvene their geophysics program and our seismic program in the next few weeks here. Ulaanbaatar, or Mongolia as a whole, has been placed in lockdown, much like the rest of the world. So we're at the mercy of the pandemic, really, until when we can recommence. But the advantage we have is our team is on the ground, the equipment's on the ground, and as soon as the lockdown is lifted, we flick the switch and we're on the ground doing some work. In addition to the work that we have on Baba Ul, as I mentioned at the onset, we will be looking to acquire additional licenses in country, and we expect to make that announcement in short order. So come the end of Q1, we should have some preliminary results on Baba Ul, potentially an acquisition in country. Come Q2, we expect to put those results out to market. We will put them out as and when they're available. Following our seismic and geophysics programs on Baba Ul, we will deploy the truck-mounted auger rig, which is currently in country already, to help pull up samples and identify the quality of the brine assets. But for now, our focus truly is continue our exploration program, ensure that we're de-risking our asset that we currently own, and hopefully the second assets and multiple assets that we may add on to our portfolio of assets over the course of the year.
All right. Sounds like it's going to be busy. That's for sure. We'll be here to cover it. Ali, thank you so much. Congratulations on the listing on the OTC.
Thank you, Steve.
All right. There's Ali Haji, the CEO of ION Energy.